Welcome to our video about the best camping shovels. Whether you're an avid camper, hiker, or just love spending time in the great outdoors, a reliable camping shovel is an essential tool to have. In this video, we'll be showcasing the top camping shovels on the market that are durable, lightweight, and versatile. From compact folding shovels to heavy-duty digging tools, we've got you covered. So, let's dig into our list of the best camping shovels, and find the perfect one for your next adventure. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. Then why is it late? Let's get started. Number 1. Rhino USA Folding Survival Shovel. The Rhino USA Folding Survival Shovel is a high-quality tool that offers impressive durability and versatility for outdoor enthusiasts, adventurers, and survivalists. This compact and lightweight shovel is designed to handle a wide range of tasks, from digging and chopping to sawing and hammering. One of the standout features of this shovel is its rugged construction. The blade is made from high-carbon steel, which is both strong and resistant to wear and tear. The handle is also built to last, with a non-slip grip and a durable aluminum shaft that can withstand heavy use. Another great aspect of the Rhino USA Folding Survival Shovel is its portability. The compact size and foldable design make it easy to pack in a backpack or store in a vehicle, making it an ideal tool for camping, hiking, or emergency situations. Overall, the Rhino USA Folding Survival Shovel is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a durable, versatile, and portable tool for outdoor activities and survival situations. Its high-quality construction and impressive functionality make it a worthwhile investment for any adventure. Number 2. Saugeen Trenching Folding Shovel. The Saugeen Trenching Folding Shovel is a versatile and durable folding shovel that is perfect for camping, hiking, and survival situations. With its 18.25-inch length and compact folding design, it is easy to pack and carry in the included tactical shovel carry case. One of the most notable features of this shovel is its wood saw edge, which allows for quick and efficient cutting of wood and branches. The blade is made of high-carbon steel, which ensures that it is strong and durable enough to handle tough jobs. The shovel head can also be adjusted to 3 different angles for maximum versatility. The handle is made of high-strength steel, and the grip is covered in a comfortable and slip-resistant material that makes it easy to use even in wet or muddy conditions. The shovel also has a built-in glass breaker, which could be useful in an emergency situation. Overall, the Saugeen Trenching Folding Shovel is a great investment for anyone who spends time outdoors or who wants to be prepared for survival situations. It is well made, easy to use, and comes with a handy carrying case for convenient transport. Number 3. Redcomb Military Folding Camping Shovel. The Redcomb Military Folding Camping Shovel is a versatile and durable tool that is ideal for any outdoor adventure. This compact and lightweight shovel is made of high-carbon steel and aviation-grade aluminum, making it tough enough to handle any task. One of the standout features of this shovel is its folding design, which makes it incredibly easy to pack and transport. When fully extended, the shovel measures 16.5 inches in length, but it can be folded down to just 7.1 inches for easy storage. In addition to its compact size, the Redcomb Military Folding Camping Shovel also comes with a range of useful accessories, including a serrated saw edge, a bottle opener, and a fire starter. This makes it an excellent multi-purpose tool that can be used for digging, chopping, sawing, and more. Overall, the Redcomb Military Folding Camping Shovel is a well-designed and durable tool that is perfect for anyone who loves spending time in the great outdoors. Whether you're camping, hiking, or just exploring, this shovel is sure to come in handy. Number 4. Military Style Foldable Lightweight Survival Shovel. The Military Style Foldable Lightweight Survival Shovel is a small, compact, and lightweight survival shovel that is perfect for any outdoor enthusiast. It is made of high-quality materials, and has been designed to be both durable and reliable, making it a great addition to any camping or hiking gear. One of the best features of this survival shovel is its foldable design, which makes it easy to pack and carry. When folded, it measures just 7.1 inches into 4.7 inches into 2.4 inches, making it small enough to fit in a backpack or other small storage space. The shovel blade is made of high-carbon steel, and is built to withstand tough conditions. It is also rust-resistant and easy to clean, ensuring that it will last for years to come. The handle of the shovel is made of durable aluminum, and is designed to provide a comfortable and secure grip. It also features a serrated edge for cutting through tough materials, such as roots or small branches. Overall, military-style foldable lightweight survival shovel is a great investment for anyone who enjoys spending time in the great outdoors. Its small size, lightweight design, and durable construction make it a must-have for any survival kit. Number 5. Extremis Trench Folding Camping Shovel. The Extremis Trench Folding Camping Shovel is a durable and versatile tool that is perfect for camping, hiking, and outdoor activities. Made with high-quality materials, this shovel is designed to withstand heavy use and extreme conditions. One of the standout features of the Extremis Trench Folding Camping Shovel is its folding design. This allows for easy storage and portability, making it a great option for backpackers and hikers. The shovel also comes with a convenient carrying case that further enhances its portability. The shovel itself is well designed, with a sturdy handle that provides a comfortable grip even during extended use. The shovel head is also strong and durable, and it features a serrated edge that is useful for cutting through tough materials like roots and branches. Overall, the Extremis Trench Folding Camping Shovel is a reliable and well-designed tool that is well suited for a wide range of outdoor activities. If you're in the market for a high-quality camping shovel, this is definitely one to consider. Thanks for watching my video. That's all from my end. I make helpful and quality videos daily. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, please do check out my description. Like and share this video with your friends and family. Stay updated with our new reviews as it will make your life much easier. Don't forget to subscribe my channel to get new videos and information. Thank you.